Hi, welcome to RTL online trainings. And today we are going to launch another self-paced training course, which is from Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials group. Let's see what exactly the course and who are eligible to learn this. Let's go for rtlonlinetraining.com and you can go for register your email ID here free of cost. And once you enter into this, so let's go to financials, Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials. We are going to launch 3 courses. Today we are launching General Ledger, Oracle Fusion Cloud General Ledger implementation. How we can go for implement Fusion Cloud General Ledger to the clients. It's going to be end-to-end implementation process. And tomorrow we are going to launch account payables, and then day after tomorrow we are going to launch account receivables. Of course, we will release another video about account payables and account receivables. Let's see what exactly general ledger and who are comfortable to learn this. So this particular general ledger course is mainly designed for the people who wanted to become a master in the functional side of general ledger model. After completion of this module, you will be able to implement independently to your client. We have discussed complete end-to-end process of the general ledger model. It comes around 20 hours of working, 20 hours of working, 20 hours of videos. You don't find anywhere in any site, in any training institutions about general ledger course, which takes 20 hours. Okay. So here, make sure that you have some idea about Oracle Financials. Maybe you are from EBS background and you have some financial background also, it's fine, no problem. You can easily learn the general ledger from Oracle Fusion Cloud general ledger model. It costs around $20 this, and you can go for enrollment from here. And this is the course curriculum. First, you can go through the previews here. What is Fusion Cloud? What is Fusion Applications Cloud? And what is Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud? What exactly the financials? And here is an around 50 minutes of video for preview how the general ledgers simple journals will be created and posted in GL model. You can go through it. We can go through it. And we'll be starting with our basics. What are the users and roles are required to work with our general ledger? So first we'll be starting with the general ledger setups. We are going to have journals, how it will be created. Before that, a very important thing we'll be discussing in the initial implementation, enterprise structure configuration setup. This is required for financials, HCM, and supply chain management for all the domains, because it's a configuration which we have to do for every client in the initial stage, configuration of the enterprise. After that, we are going to configure the currency, calendar, and value sets. And then we'll talk about chart of accounts. And then we'll define the ledgers. Primary ledger will be creating initially. Then we have a continuation of secondary ledgers, ledger set. And we are also going to have the reporting ledgers concepts will be discussed. So once we are comfortable with the ledger configuration from end to end new ledger configuration, then we are going to enter into the main general ledger setups, how to create our user, how to assign the GL roles to the user and provide the data access, and how to create simple journals and how it can be done. Posting also. Then how we can go for create journals through FBDI and ADF desktop integration. Once you log in, then you will be able to find the screen like this. Once you are enrolled into the course, the screen you can find like this. You will be finding here suspense journals configuration and how we can do the approvals, GL approvals configuration and testing. And suspense journals we are going to discuss here, how we can work with the reverse journals, different types of reverse journals. The same, whatever I'm able to see that here, I could see that here. But this is a user environment. Once you enroll into the course, you will be able to find here. And here it's before enrollment, you will find it. Okay. So we'll be talking about the cross-validation and security roles here, how we can work, and excellent general ledger budget discussion. We'll be talking about what is budget in GL and how it can be controlled and assigned budget to users, journals, and approvals. We'll be talking here. And then we'll have advanced setups and processes, how to work with our GL advanced, like revaluations, translations, and consolidations in GL module. It's going to be more than 1 hour. It's 1.5 hours. We are going to have the complete processes setups. And we'll have an excellent video file which will be used to configure the secondary ledgers, how we can work with the secondary ledger and how to process it. And data access set, how to work with ledger setup and account aliases. And security profiles, MOSC, it's again excellent videos which is having more than 1 hour, which will give us a complete concept, a complete process about MOSC and how we can work with the reporting ledger and account hierarchies and periods closing processes. This is all we can find. So I'm sure that it's going to be an excellent course from our RTL family, and it's going to be master like general ledger. It's cost of $20. For enrollment, you need to click on this enroll in course. Before going for enrollment, you can go through the demo sessions what we have provided over here, and you can go ahead with either through credit card or Google Pay or PayPal. Any of this payment method, you can go for it. And I request you to go ahead with this particular course before you start Fusion Financials. So maybe you are from Oracle applications background, having some idea about financials, that's fine. Or you want to be a master in functional financials in general ledger and you are going to be suitable, like you can easily go for enrollment of this particular course. For example, you are from technical background and you want to improve the functional, or before you want to learn the entire Fusion Financials course suite, you can test yourself whether you will be able to sustain as functional consultant in GL or not by enrollment into this course, and you can go ahead for this. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your valuable time, and let's try other courses also. And thank you very much.